Hi, my name is Žiga Novak and I'm a founder of the Walnut Grove Group. We are an agency that creates top-notch team building programs and incentives. And what I would like to do today is to present you Brotherhood of the Sea. It's one of our most popular programs, and here are 7 reasons why you should try it out.
6 teams need to work together to achieve a final goal, just like in the real life of organizations. People learn more when they have a good time. It will test your collective intelligence. Dive into a story about a sea captain looking for a new crew. It can be organized on a boat or atop a skyscraper. It's based on a popular escape room and other live game mechanics. Enjoy the sweet taste of success after an hour of hard fun. Contact us and try this program out.